Hi, I'm Pratiksha and I go to Limbrick High School. My project is the knee rehab device and this is my second milestone for it. During this milestone, I focused on making my accelerometer print out the right values and detect when my knee is bending inwards while doing a squat in the improper form. And I also focused on being able to give Bluetooth serial command inputs so it would print out specific values at this time. To give my Bluetooth serial commands, in my code, I made the Bluetooth serial read what the incoming character was when you're typing something into the Bluetooth serial. And if that was equal to for example, if you type in P, then it prints out both the flex sensor and accelerometer values. If you type in the character F, it prints out the flex sensor values only. If you type the character A, it'll print out just the accelerometer values. And if you type the character S, it'll stop printing out everything, and it'll also stop buzzing buzzers that were buzzing previously. And for the accelerometer thresholds, that's one thing I focused a lot during this milestone. At first, I tried using gyroscope, one of the gyroscope axes, I think the gyroscope x-axis and gyroscope y-axis to find the threshold for it to detect when my knee is bending inward, because I thought the rotation would be really accurate in detecting that. But I realized that it was the values were fluctuating between negative 0.02 and 0.01, which caused my thresholds to be inaccurate. And I also saw that the thresholds were varying every time I do a squat in improper form. So I realized I had to make a linear regression model to model this. So I first plotted some data points when I'm doing it in proper squat and a proper squat with my knee bending inwards and proper form. And then I put it into a CSV file, and then I uploaded it to code on Google Colab, and that created a linear regression equation using a linear regression model. And then using that equation I put it into my code, and then I checked if the probability was of the the knee bending inward was 0.5. If it was above 0.5, that means improper form was detected, because there's 0.5 chance of being a good form and bad form. And then yeah, that's how I figured out how to make accurate thresholds. And my next steps are to um, think of more modifications and sew everything onto my knee rehab device. Thank you.